and what efforts are going into that, and what are the challenges they face in that. So it will be a learning for other club members also and other lions also. We can take a point from that particular president of that particular club. Of course, we'll be having eminent personalities who will be speaking to us every day. And to start with, we have our own past international president, Lion Ashok Mehtaji here. I welcome him. And just a few things which I want to point out before I hand over the set to our RC sir. Number one is there is a link coming in the chat box. It's a Google Sheet form. I request each one of you to please fill that form so that you will get a e-certificate in your email IDs of the participation. Number two, as we have been sharing with everybody, the people who attend for all the 5 days, they will be honored in the incoming RC conference to be held on 16th of January. So that will be attendance thing. This will be a participation certificate that will come as an attendance thing. And number three, the best question asked in each session, like today's session, whichever is the best question, even that person will be honored during the RC conference. So these are the 2-3 things. And there is a column of polls below. You can take your time, maybe during the call or towards the end of the call, you can fill that poll and give us a feedback. How did you find the session? Which will definitely help us improving our future sessions. I hand over the session to our RC sir, and I welcome him to say his words. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Lion Neeraj, for a brief introduction. I request all of you to kindly put yourself on mute. With DG sir's permission, I declare this meeting just on a virtual platform meeting call to order, and I request DG sir and PIP Ashok Mehta sir to please jointly inaugurate this forum. And to do that, I am sharing sir's small clip, and I am playing Mata Saraswati's clip as the starting, and then you two can be can inaugurate this particular first ever session or episode. And I'm happy that both of you are well before time, and I request Maneshwar Naik sir also to join us virtually. So I'll just share the screen and play the video.
जय जगदीश्वरी माता सरस्वती माता सरस्वती
Yeah, over to you, Rakesh sir. Please declare and PIP Ashok Mehta sir that inauguration is done.
Thank you so much, Region Chairperson Land Dr. Surendra Bhosleji, for inviting me as chief guest of this wonderful event what you are having. But मेरे दो आदरणीय और सम्माननीय सीनियर्स और अति आदरणीय पास इंटरनेशनल प्रेसिडेंट लाइन अशोक मेहता जी हैं, और मेरे इमीडिएट पास डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर लाइन मनेश्वर नायक जी की उपस्थिति में मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि ये जो as per protocol of our tradition, or rather I'll say our tradition right from जो हमने हमारे बुजुर्गों से सीखा है, तो ये जो सौभाग्य होता है, ये अपॉर्चुनिटी होती है, मैं निवेदन करता हूँ, निवेदन करता हूँ आदरणीय पास इंटरनेशनल प्रेसिडेंट अशोक मेहता जी से कि वो इनॉग्रेशन करें और अपने आशीर्वचन से हमें अवगत करें.
Dr. Surendra, Governor Rakesh, and distinguished Lion members. Friends, it's most unique for me to participate in a seminar or a workshop. The region chairman made a mention about graduates. They are not the graduates of the university, they are graduates of the leadership institutes in Lionism. So it's a great occasion, and I'm just wonderstruck, Rakesh, I'm just wonderstruck that a region chairman organizing 5 seminars on the various subjects, and it's continuously 5 days starting from today. So it's a unique opportunity for me to be amongst you, and I see almost now over 30 people participating in this. We have just begun, and it's I'm very happy situation. You organize, you put Latin efforts, but if people are not there, you are not happy about it. So it's a great opportunity for me. I am going to go to the basics as our region chairman Surendra has asked me to do it. So I'm going to delve on that subject a little later. But I have great pleasure in inaugurating this wonderful seminar or workshop or Pathshala on the subject of back to basics. God bless you all, and I hope you have a great participation.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir, for inaugurating the event, sir. And now I think
Neeraj, please introduce in brief our Honorable Governor, sir, and then we'll ask him to bless us.
yeah, actually, Governor sir always says that I'm so known that we didn't need to
Listen, our own district, after even becoming the governor, if one needs introduction, it is sheer waste of time. That is what I feel.
Correct.
और बाकी हमारे जो सम्मानीय उपस्थित हैं उनके लिए मैं बहुत तुच्छ हूं, तो मैं सीधा अपने विषय पर आता हूं. प्रिसाइडिंग ऑफिसर रीजन चेयरपर्सन लाइन रीजन 5 लाइन डॉक्टर सुरेंद्र भोसले, मोस्ट रिस्पेक्टेड international president, past international president 2005 to 2006, लाइन डॉक्टर अशोक मेहता जी, कमल हेरा जी शायद अभी उपस्थित हैं, मैं सभी को नहीं देख पा रहा हूँ. Principal Officer, Global Action Team line Shailesh Poddar, and members of this organizing committee line PMJ Sunil Pathare, Dhananjay Pathak, Neeraj Jha, Leo Parag Bhosle, line Rahul Mishra ji. How can I forget? I mean, my respected immediate past district governor line Manishwar Nayak ji. At the outset, I take this opportunity to wish you a very happy new year and filled with great opportunities, good health and peace and prosperity for each one of us. It is indeed my pleasure to be part of this beautifully named RC Ki Pathshala. And out of, as PIP said, it is definitely an out-of-box initiative of Region Chairperson Lion Surendra Bhosle and his team. The day-to-day session shall be covered by experts on diverse subjects. Organizing day-to-day sessions, and that too for continuous 5 days, requires a lot of hard work, and my compliments to Lion Surendra Bhosle for conceptualizing this first of its kind extraordinary initiative. Special speakers of international repute have been assigned interesting topics to cover, and I am happy to share the platform today with the doyen of Indian Lionism and role model of all of us, International President Lion Dr. Ashok Mehta ji, and the topic covered by him is back to basic of for clubs. On the second day, I'm told that GAT Constitutional Area Leader PID Lion Narendra Bhandari ji will speak to us on the essence of Global Action Team program. which is the central idea of Lionism. On third day, I think we have a subject remarkably close to my heart, members retention strategies, brought to you by prolific speaker PDG Lion Mahesh Chitnis, all the way from US. I welcome him to our district. Campaign 100 again, the Campaign 100 program, another subject close to my heart, is brought to you by the Iron Lady and LCF trustee, Ati Adarni, past international director, Ryan Lion Aruna Oswalji. Then the last day we have the respected multiple council chairperson Lion Chandrasekhar Gagji will be addressing us on the subject importance of reporting service activities. So what we have here is bonanza of extraordinary inspirational speakers and enlightening topics to all of us via Zoom video conferencing to develop your leadership skills. I'm very much interested to hear the success story that the regional club president who are sitting here will be presenting to us. Each one a champion advocating their club's impact in the local community that they serve, be it service projects or our club's administration. Of course, guest speakers, first Vice District Governor Line Nunkan Tauri ji and second Vice District Governor Line Mukesh Tanaiya ji, and respected past District Governor Omi Aroje, PDG Line Kamal Heda ji will be covering interesting topics like specialty clubs, leadership and talent, permanent projects, and motivational other topic for the region assignment to them. I'm thoroughly impressed with the idea, and Dr. Bhosleji, I promise to log in whenever I'm free, and we shall be having our very own respected and learned PDG Line VR Mehta ji and Surendra Sharma ji Line, Anil Biseji and Line Mahesh Gupta ji Line, immediate past district governor Line Maneshwar Nayak ji as observer to judge the presentation and give their words of wisdom. I thank each one of them for their involvement, and I'm sure the regional clubs will enrich by their knowledge and their experience. Although this is very new concept in our district, I have no doubt that the objective of organizing this Pathshala shall be achieved. To name a few, to promote the leadership and presentation skills of the club leaders, sharing of regional clubs, success stories by the leaders to motivate the club, other clubs, to connect the success stories to the world via social media, and of course motivating the clubs to practice innovative and few new service projects. Lastly, without taking much of your time, not standing between you and the interesting session to follow, I once again congratulate Lion Region Chairperson, Lion Dr. Surendra Bhosle, for taking the right step in the right direction to bring back a vibrancy in our region. I hope and pray the concept prelude to the region conference of the 16th January 2021 is super duper hit with the regional club members, and I hope to see you all in at the in-present conference. Thank you once again, Dr. Surendra Bhosleji, for giving me this opportunity, and my best wishes to you for this region ki Pathshala and very innovative concept. Thank you so very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your great words, and definitely region is motivated. Now, I think we'll proceed further for the special guest. Let me take a small privilege to introduce the person, the Indian legend as such, who was past international president during 2005 and 6. He joined Lionism before my birth, and therefore I have a great say honor for him. And not only that, he is continuously working for Lionism during his tenure as a PID. When I joined my service in 1988, he was already international director, and he has represented the Africa and South Asia, and 57 countries on the board of directors, Lion Club International. And thereafter, there is no say step which he has not crossed. He has been nominated to the educational field. Why I have selected him? Because he loves education. He is connected to a so many educational institutes, and his central idea of promoting a new members, give them responsibility, I liked so much. And this is the fourth time I'm meeting him, though this is the first time on virtual platform. Physically, we have met him three occasions, and I was so delighted recently when he was there for the van donation to the Ulasnagar Club. We have spent the great time with the PIP Ashok Mehta sir, and see, my words are going to be very short to introduce him, because my words will not able to cover him. His words we want to listen. His words will be like jewels for us, and this his message will carry to all Lion members in the region. And sir, please bless us through your speech. Without wasting much time, we would like to listen to you. I invite the PIP Dr. Ashok Mehta sir for his words, kind words. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Am I all right now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir. Loud and clear.
Loud
okay,
and clear.
Right. Okay. Region Chairman Dr. Surendra Bhosle, District Governor Rakesh, distinguished Lion leaders and friends. May I request Neeraj to mute everybody? Please unmute
Sure, sir.
everybody.
Sure, sir. Sure.
When I was looking to your
Sir, please unmute
Yeah, yeah.
yourself.
Sir, I muted everybody. You will need to unmute yourself, sir.
am I audible now?
Yeah, yes, sir. You are audible now.
Okay, right. So when I heard and read in the directory, which Rakesh has been kind enough to forward it to me, says that he belongs to Lions Club of Dombivli. My special love to Lions Club of Dombivli, my directory logo, my entire directory was published by Madhukar Chakradev. Mokasi, both the brothers were a part of my cabinet in 1979. So when I heard and when I read that Dr. Bhosle is from Lions Club of Dombivli, and secondly, he made a mention about the educational institution, he belongs to the place which I can see from my place here, which is VJTI. They are so close to each other, and I would only request our region chairman to visit our college. Our college is unique in many ways. Maneshwar and his wife visited last year, and many of you came when Nitin Shetty was the district governor to that institution. We are going number of projects in that college. We have 7,000 students, and 30% of students are from Dharavi, uneducated, illiterate parents, and 30% are the minority community. They come with burqa and study at our college. So you being an educationalist, a doctorate in the subject that you are teaching now at VJTI, I'm extremely impressed. And Rakesh, I must compliment you. I must compliment you, not saying this because you are present here. I'm saying this from a real genuine thing that I'm addressing you, that you have selected some of the most outstanding region chairmen. I see that your region chairman is supported by Ashok Prajapati and Praful Kothari. So two zone chairmen. I am going to talk to zone chairman today more than anybody of you. And I would like to tell you that you are the most important officer of the association. That is why we have changed the construction of the constitution. When I was the president of the Lions Club International, we completely changed the constitution. And we brought zone chairman, the most important officer of the association, the grassroots officer of the association, and made him a qualified to be the district governor. There are many apprehensions in the mind of people. I remember AP was my colleague. I'm talking of past that AP Singh was my colleague. And he asked me, Ashok bhai, what you are doing is wrong. Because there will be many zone chairmen who will come and contest the election. I said, let them do it. But what I am seeing today, that you also, Rakesh, have selected two very eminent people, one again from Dombivli Lions Club and one again from Kalyan Club, which is Dr. Haripal's club. So it is so very homely that I feel today. And the subject that is given to you is so very dear to me, friends. I have been talking on this subject at every possible event. In my Lionistic career of 57 years, I have only pursued the basics. And your region chairman mentioned a little while ago that I look to the clubs, my own home club. I can tell you that my home club is the strongest Lions club in the world today. We have 120 members. And out of 120 members, 100 are actively participating in various activities. Nobody is paper. Nobody is just dormant. And each one of them have a responsibility. And I, as a past president of the Lions Club, Sion, spend every day 1 hour in the club. So that's the basic thing that I do, so that I cater, whatever I needed. I don't sit on the dais. I never sit on the dais. I sit in the audience. When I came to Nitin's various workshops, including the PST, I don't know how many were present. I was sitting at the end of the hallway to understand the people, to know the people reaction, how people react, how people learn. But most importantly, Rakesh, I must compliment you in selecting this region chairman, and see how genius they are. They are so hardworking. They have put things together so as to enable the Lions Club members, Lions Club president, Lions Club officers to go to the basics. And I consider basic as a Lions Club. Because if you all today, around 40 now, we are now 40, if 40 of us decide that I will look after my home club, what I am supposed to do? Membership. Somebody talked about retention. We don't talk about retention now. We talk of development of membership. We talk of development. How do we develop a member? Give them a work, assign them the more difficult jobs, assign them the small jobs, large jobs, big jobs, projects, make them the project chairman. I became the president of my home club when my club celebrated 50 years. 7 years back, in 2013, when my club celebrated 50 years, I became the president of a Lions Club. Why I became the president of Lions Club? October Service Week, you are all aware about it. October Service Week, this year you are having October Service Week. It has completed 50 years. In 1970, when Ram Prasad Podar, and when I'm looking to your region chairman, I'm reminded of Ram Prasad Podar. Ram Prasad Podar was a century mill president. And it is a good fortune that Podarji agreed to become the district governor. He became a member of Lions Club North Bombay, became a president of Lions Club North Bombay, and became a district governor. Coming back to club friends, it is so many. What is our association known as? Lions Clubs International. Lions Clubs International. So unless the club exists, unless the clubs are strong, it's not possible. Now, what do we need? Don't need a Lions Club, strengthening the Lions Club. As I told you, the membership, their participation, their attendance to various projects, attendance to various meetings. Lions Club Sion, my home club, do not enroll a member just directly to come in. It's not an open door. We invite them in a project. If I want to sponsor anybody, I must invite him a Lions Club meeting once, twice, thrice. Let him get used to it. Let him get acclimatized to it. Then only he thinks, she thinks that he is suitable to Lions Club, then you only induct a Lions member. And then you offer to them. In the first year of the membership of a Lion member, we induct them straight away into the board. For 5 years, the new members, half of them who are enrolled during the year are inducted directly to the board of directors. They are taken to the board so they start understanding. The board is so very important. It's like a company board, like Ambani's Reliance Company International Board of Directors is a board. Every decision Lions Club takes, spending money, correcting the project, going for a fundraising drive, approaching some donor, is a board of directors member only do it, and headed by a president. There are only 2 presidents in the world, friends. Lions Club International has only 2 presidents. International president, club president. You will never find anywhere anybody. So, it is so very important, friends, to have a club stronger. And I can assure you that today, we have now almost 45. Or 45 take an oath of office today, saying that I go back to the club and see that I start following with the members. I see the potential of people. There are some people who can collect funds. Kaam ke vaste, naam ke vaste, daam ke vaste. Naam ke vaste, Mr. Raj Kapoor was a member of Lions Club of Chembur. So naam ke vaste, हमारे Raj Kapoor साहब हमारे club के member है भाई. Naam ke vaste, Damji Samji, Vidyalay, man, inducted in Lionism. पैसा देंगे, कुछ काम नहीं करेंगे. और काम के वास्ते. So there are 3 categories of membership. You must look into it, doesn't matter. But what is important is when you take any money, is a public money. Club should have a registered charitable trust. Zone chairman, I am addressing now zone chairman. In a zone advisory meeting, what you are supposed to ask, don't talk about the project. I will come to the project little later. Talk about your bank account. Have you a registered charitable trust? And Rakesh will provide you the sufficient background, backdrop, support to form a trust and see that you are able to follow. I remember Silas is present here. Silas' father was my zone chairman from Ambernath Lions Club. So friends, you can imagine that today what is important is that when you accept any money, you are accountable. You are talking of in 2005, 2006, 2007, our association was named as the best non-government organization in the world, best NGO in the world. On what count it was? Transparency, accountability, visibility. See the word, transparency, accountability, and visibility. The donor's name should be properly displayed. I vividly remember when you had started the hospital there, so Surinder knows it well, and our Anil Goradia knows it well, that the donor was not very happy. B.R. Mehta knows it well, that our donor was not very happy because his name was not well placed properly. Take his permission, what type of name they want, what level of name he wants, in a stationery, how the name to be printed. So there is no at all misunderstanding the mind of people. They only want a name in your stationery, in your literature. Going back to again the club, friends, a regular meeting of a Lions Club. It's not necessary to have always a speaker. What happens is speakers takes a lot of time, then you have no chance to talk about your club and other activities. So I would only request you, you must have 50% club meeting when you are speaker, 50% of club there is no speaker at all. You just have an open session. Just find out from them, evaluate them. What do they feel about club? What type of program they like? What type of fooding they want? Whether they like the venue or not. Once upon a time, there was a form which we have now, it is called a club quality program. You are following that, and your district is one of the best district who is following this system or procedure of the club evaluation program. But most importantly, the club member and the club officers, the board of directors, should see that they are able to take care of each individual member. There was a buddy system once upon a time. Buddy is my friend. Rakesh is my buddy. So if Rakesh is not coming to the board of directors meeting, Lions Club Science, Lions my home club meeting, then Rakesh will phone the buddy and tell him, Ashok bhai, I have not seen you for a long time in the board of directors meeting. What happened? Are you not well? You need any assistance? Can I help you to pick you up? Buddy system, B-U-D-D-Y. So buddy system to be followed, so that what happens is that he has no difficulty in coming to your off meeting. And when you induct him or her, you do it lot of gusto, lot of show, a lot of program that you organize. But at the end of the day, he starts coming in 2-3 times, he's just left in a corner. See that for first 3 months, you look after him, you nurse him, you cater to him, to see that he is introduced to everybody so he doesn't place out of place. And see there is potential. What is the potential? If your region chairman, for example, a member of Lions Club of Dombivli, Chakradev must see, or Mukasi Shudi, what is the potential in this man? That he knows me from 1980. 80 is almost 50, for 40 years now. That your region chairman is a member of a Lions Club since last 40 years. And I'm sure he has done enough work. So that's why our governor selected him to be the region chairman. And some of the most important clubs, Kalyan Club, which has given 2 district governors. I don't know whether Pathare has ever thought of becoming governor or not, because Pathare, father of course not, but Pathare's father was a very great friend. He always helped me to make my jerseys, for any event, I remember in 1993, when we had a forum, I went to J.K. Pathare and told him, Pathare sahib, male waste paije. Bola, kevada paije to main saga malat mi. Main tumhara karun dete to bola. Cost ka Abdullah Ashok bhai. Main karun del to bola. So that type of potential, I never realized. Somebody told me, I think Haripal told me, that Ashok bhai ye Pathare ka acha VIP ka banyan banate hain, ab usko boliye. So what I am saying that every individual member who is intended to join your club has some potential. Explore that potential more and more. I said again, now I am saying again, please do not pursue zone chairman, please. Region chairman, please. Don't talk about the project. That's not your domain. Your domain is, what is the club membership? What is the member meeting? What is the subscription? Accounts, whether they are planning to increase any members or not, whether they are planning to extend the Lions Club or not. That's the limited to that. You have, Rakesh has appointed many chairmen of the various committees. The committee also will not do any project. I spoke when Kalgutkar was the district governor. I came there and spoke on committee chairman duties. The district governors are district chairman. They take upon themselves the project. That's not the job. The Lions Club has to take up the project. And the Lions Club project, Dombivli, considering your decision chairman project, they must evaluate how it is going to benefit the Dombivli in and around people. For example, medical clinic. Medical clinic has a lot of responsibility apart from the advantages, the benefit that we have. Because after medical service is something which is very challenging. So most important for us is that the Lions Club has to get involved in every part of service activity. All service activities are done by Lions Club. Their budgeting, the committee chairman will only give an idea. Now we are planning a process in hand. I'm sure District Governor Rakesh will talk to you in one of your regional conferences. We have today morning signed an agreement with electrically operated process in hand. You can operate, the fingers can work. And cost is only 10,000 rupees. And this morning we have signed an agreement. We have collected 5 lakhs rupees already. So 50 hands are already on. 10,000 per hand. In United States, it costs 10,000 US. In India, costs 10,000 rupees. This is the work of Lions Club. So because Lions Club chairman, Rakesh and others discussed it at a council meeting held in Bombay, and they decided, they conceived a project of prosthesis hand. You are doing with legs so far, Jaipur foot that you did the project. But what is most important is Lions Club will take, my home club will take, Wellington Crescent Lions Club of Sudarshan Nair will take the project. Not anybody. No, Rakesh will not take it. Sudarshan will not take it. Ashok Mehta will not take it. The project will be handled by Lions Club. So that what happens is the Lions Club interest grow. My home club, I do not know how many of you have seen, our district governor has now planned a visit to our hospital day after tomorrow during the service week. About 50 people will be coming, 50 club presidents are coming to my project of Tarak and Bapa Hospital, which are running for 51 years now. In February, we will be completing 51 years. 51 years of the hospital, when there was no Hindujas, there were no Lilavatis, there were no Reliance, there were no Kokilabel. Since then, Lions Club signed singly, and we received 6 grants. And this year we received 3 grants. And we are setting up now a state of cardiac unit, a Lions Club only, a Lions Club project. What I am saying, friends, it is very important for us to think about the club, make the club stronger. Well, I told you earlier that our association is known as Lions Clubs International. Clubs International, clubs is the basic. So I would request you, friends, I would go, another thing, very important aspect is region chairman. Region chairman should regularly call the staff meeting, which is not in the part of the constitution. Staff meeting. President, secretary, treasurers are called. Discuss with them their plans, their projects, what they would like to do. And you can assist them, generate, put all region clubs together and see that you are able to collect. Bring committee chairman, district governor's program. District governor certainly the program. Ask district governor program committee chairman, the district chairman to come and listen to them. Find out what are resources. There are many projects, friends. We are talking of vaccination distribution ourselves. Lions Club International and Lions District in Mumbai. We are now planning with government of Maharashtra for vaccine distribution. We have many medical centers. Your district has almost 4 to 5 very good state-of-art medical centers where we can run the vaccination centers and make your centers known to people. There is an excellent Lions Center where the vaccination is done for COVID-19. But I consider, friends, when I am saying this to basic is back to club. Don't talk about project in region. Don't talk about project in zone. Don't talk about project in district. Let the clubs take it with the committee chairman. Plan out. But as I told you, financial accuracy, financial submission, donors to be satisfied. When I was talking to Prosthesis and today, I got a donor today. I telephoned Sudarshan Nair. What is the funding that you are looking for? One donor is agreeable to give me 25 lakhs. Are you agreeable? I'm sure you are aware 3 years back, who was the governor? I don't remember. We had our Ganesh Naik coming to us and gave us the check of almost over 6 million rupees to Lions Clubs. Invited me to come there. And I was amazed. All the Lions Clubs got, number of Lions Clubs got the check from Ganesh Naik. And the amount was almost 60 lakhs of rupees that he gave at that time. That's the credibility the association has, friends. I can tell you a number of stories in the past that our credibility is such that today we are doing so many things like distribution. And this man, Lions have found out he was doing a job in Baroda. Then he shifted now to near Pune. Sudarshan Nair and Deepak Shah, the past governor from district of D2, 32, 33, 33, D2, Deepak Shah, went there and saw to themselves, talked to him. And it was very extremely impressive and very devoted man. What I am saying is, Lions Club has a tremendous human resources. Anything and everything that you want to get it done in Bombay City, on any other, maybe education, maybe health, maybe physically handicapped institutes. You have, and most importantly, we are looking now to LCIF. And Lions Club gets it. District does not get a grant. Lions Clubs gets a grant. So I think it's the time for us now to make your club stronger. Every region chairman will call a meeting of staff. Staff meeting is president, secretary, treasurer. Whoever is available, don't worry. But it is important that one club should have one representative present. Talk about that project. Talk about processes and Rakesh will be able to give you the details and tell you the tremendous amount of scope this project has. The question of, because we had never thought of him. You can handle the finger. I was asking him that you can hold even the spoon and eat with hand. That's the electrically operated hand that we are planning from Lions Club International. We are talking of LCF grant as well. The last is, friends, ABC analysis. You must always analyze at every instant what is the job that I will do as a region chairman. What is the job that B who will do it? What is the less priority job C who will do it? I'm talking of distribution as well as prioritize. Always don't get into something. Give it to somebody. Regional conference. You have enough people to take care of it. Importantly, you must assign the job on ABC analysis. Most important is region chairman will decide. I work in a corporation called Mukud Limited. We had Mr. Viren Shah, the chairman. He never did anything. But I remember one day we were sitting in the bungalow and we got a fire in furnace. You know, the furnace was a big fire. So I told Viren Bhai, sir, I'm going. He said, where are you going? I said, sir, there is a big fire in the furnace department. He said, let the fire go. There is insurance there. There are people there to take care of it. You should not go. I was amazed. I said, Viren Bhai, the loss of life doesn't matter. There are people there. The works manager will not attend to the work at all. It was 12 o'clock in the midnight. We were just chatting and discussing amongst ourselves. Just sitting there in the bungalow of Mukund Iron Steel at Kalwe plant. And there was a fire. He never allowed me to go. The job A is to be handled by not Mr. Viren Shah, the works manager. The job B, job C. So please try and analyze the ABC analysis for a Lions Club working is so very important, because we get into something which is not important. It is not required to be done. Your ability, your talent, your time. Time is an essence. On 30th June, whatever best that Rakesh does, Rakesh cannot continue. Mr. Tauri will come and push him out. He will push him out and vote him out. So the priority is the time. Time is an essence, friends. And I'm so very happy and delighted today that I got an opportunity to talk on something, the subject which is so very dear to me. God bless you all, and thank you very much. And I understand that now near future, January month is a month of regional conferences. Don't make any region project. Fun and frolic. Have some tambola, have some games, have some gambling houses, have some horse races. But make it a fun, frolic, and fellowship-oriented regional conference rather than project. Let the club do the project. Let's not you get involved in the project. Important for you is regional conference is basically a stock taking. What you did in last 6 months, what you intend to do in the next 6 months. The first 6 months has been very challenging to you. When you took over in June, you are not sure. Rakesh could not go to Singapore. It has not happened in the history. I at least don't remember anything that has happened in the past. There was no conference. Rakesh could not go. You were not installed. You were installed on a virtual platform. So there are many things that you have taken challenge. Now is the time for us. From January onwards, God willing, I think things will improve, things will change, and we'll be coming back to normal slowly. It may be very slow, but it is certainly. And you being a professor, you know it, that VJTI House sparingly, they are doing today online studies and education, as we are doing it at our college. So God bless you all, and wish you all the best in the new year, and a very challenging year and successful year. God bless you. God bless you.
हाँ निकलना है अभी मेरे को आ रहा है तो आजा नहीं तो मैं आ जाऊंगा
Thank you, sir. Thank you for very important guidance. Sir, we assure my region conference will be as per whatever suggestions you have done, we have planned. And I'm happy to say that I have arranged a musical program, audio, video, where everybody will be entertained for an hour also. And we are going to keep some professional sort of audio visual to remember Kalyan Shankar Jaikishan ji. Both of them will remember. And my regional conference will start on dot time each and everything will be before time, and we will be busy in the time management. And my team, especially the Niraja and Parag, is there to. They are the watchdog timers. We say in the
थोड़ा टाइम लगाने का तो लगाओ आपके इतना.
so we'll assure that we'll do the
हाँ?
regional conference as a professional one.
नहीं चालू है.
Uh,
लगा के देखो, चालू है बोल रहा हूँ ना.
Actually,
Bhosle sir, you got muted.
I'm very much thankful to both the speakers, and really will do as per their expectation. The region conference will be a rocking one, and I have many things, undisclosed things, but in the given time format, and I know how to put a presentation. I will put it to expectation of my district governor, and my team is working. I have made all the preparations properly. Over to you, Neeraj, for further proceedings, and thank you very much, both the speakers. Over to you, Neeraj.
Yeah.
Thank you, RC, and all the very best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Governor sir, and thank you, Trust International President Ashok Mehta ji, for giving us and enlightening us. In fact, today definitely I have taken a word or two from your book, sir. I welcome, in fact, our cabinet members over here, like Lion Jailal Man and all. Lion Sima Pai is there, whom I can see over here. Before I call the next speaker on board, as our theme is, we will be requesting or will be asking all the president to share their success stories. In our region, we have the only lady president of a club who joined Lionism in 2018, and in a very short time she has become a very nice president. And becoming a president, she came with what a bang, I would say. Membership, which is a favorite topic of our governor sir. And I would say the day she joined or she was installed as a president, she came in with 21 members. And today she has made her club a Centurion club. So let us put our hands together for this achievement and to share the success story. How she could achieve this magical figure of 102 members. I request our own lady president of the region, that is Lion Sheetal Deshmukh from Bhiwandi Club. Yes, madam. Now the mic is yours.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for your kind words of introduction.
Yeah.
Good evening. Namaste.
Good evening, ma'am.
Respected Chief Guest, District Governor, PMJF Architect Lion Rakesh Ji Chauman, Honorable Special Guest, Past International President Lion Ashok Ji Mehta, ever motivating observer, immediate past District Governor, PMJF Lion Maneshwar Ji Nayak, galaxy of organizers of RCK Pathshala, and my dear Lion friends. It's a matter of great pride for me and my club for getting an opportunity to be an opening batsman of RCK Pathshala. Really, it's my honor and privilege to narrate the success story of Club Bhiwandi. कहानी सुनाई जाती है बच्चों को सुलाने के लिए, लेकिन यह कथा है मैजिकल मेंबरशिप की जो आपकी नींद उड़ा देगी. आई एम श्योर दिस स्टोरी विल इंस्पायर यू, गाइड यू, मोटिवेट यू, बिकॉज इट्स अ रियल स्टोरी. इट हैपेंड, वी मेड इट हैपेंड. ध्यान से सुनिए. फैंटास्टिक एक्सपीरियंस, complete transformation. It begins in the Lions Club of Bhiwandi. It begins in the month of July, opening month of Lionistic year 2020-21. Opening membership of the club was 49 on 1st July 2020. Lions Club of Bhiwandi 57 years old club stepping into 58th year. Bhiwandi is one of the talukas in district Thane. Bhiwandi has historical importance. Bhiwandi is known as the Manchester of Maharashtra. Bhiwandi has seen ups and downs time to time, and our club has also witnessed the same in last 57 years. Most of the charter members today are no more, and some have touched to 80s even. Hence, the new team of Lionstic year 2020-21, under the valuable guidance of past district governors, Lion Kamal Kishorji Heda, Lion Mahesh T. Gupta, galaxy of past presidents, all senior members, board of directors, brain and persons behind the club thought on one and only one main topic, and that is membership of the club. Yes, unanimously it was decided to take certain steps, and so we did. To develop young membership and improve the strength of the club, a long-term plan was formed. PMJF Lion Rajesh G. Mehra installed a new team on 19th July. The district governor, PMJF Lion Rakesh G. Chomal, was the chief guest to bless us. On the same day, 21 new members were inducted by MJF Lion Ruchita Ji Mehra. The next step was women empowerment. Lion ladies of the club turn into lady lions, acquiring official membership of the club. I'm very happy to say that lady lions are holding higher positions and leading the club efficiently as president, secretary, treasurer, first, second, third VPs, tamer, tails twister. We cannot forget, when ladies work, they get full support of all gents lion members. Magically, club develops with addition of new members, new activities, and new spirit. Leos turning into lions was the happiest moment for our club. 6 Leo past presidents, including one
Yes.
past district president,
Yes, sir. Yes.
became lions, and membership of well-experienced lions increased. Innovation, that is Nayapan in activities, helped to enhance the interest of members in the club. We have SSC Merit Shield, tree plantation, blood donation, site first, our permanent projects. This year, we added cataract surgeries and check dam, that is Pani Adwa, Pani Jirwa, as permanent project. Vanarai Bandhara, very needful project. Water is the main need of life. Hence, it is called as Jeevan. Water problem of Adivasis, farmers, animals from Lakhuli in a small village near Bhiwandi is solved through this project for a year, and every year this signature activity of the club will be carried on. While carrying on permanent projects or regular projects, we did involve social groups in these service activities. As the membership was increasing, to improve the Lion members' interest, we shared responsibilities among the new members. We have Lion members from various professions. There are doctors, engineers, advocates, builders, educationists, chartered accountants, artists, architects, businessmen, and so on. These members are from different corners of the society. We have posted them on committees as per their professions and desire. They're appointed as committee chairman, co-chairman. They are given tasks to welcome, introduction of guest, introduction of service activity, vote of thanks. New members really enjoy and with great pride support to make the activity successful. Effective communication of our club is like blood circulation in a blood. in our body. It helps us to lot to share knowledge and skill of my lion friends. We all know where there is need, there is a lion. To boost that, we arrange orientation and train our lion friends to know what is expected of us by international club, home club members, and society at large. Publicity to our club's activities further gives exposure to the purpose and objects of our associations. We even do activities in association with other clubs. Through such twinning activities, we have proved again and again that we together can do wonders. We do arrange interviews of local authorities as well as well-known personalities. Image building through projects is our operational area. That also helps us to recruit new members. New members bring with them ideas, influence, enthusiasm, fellowship, etc. And that keep the club stable, strong, successful, and overall alive all the time. In our changing and grooming world, new quality members make good sense. To maintain healthy atmosphere in the club, we also celebrate religious, national festivals, charter night, ladies night. We greet on birthdays and anniversaries of our land members. We arrange picnic and sports. Devoted, dedicated, determined land members of my club always try to create hope. That is Asha, Umang, Ichha, Prakash, this light in the life of handicaps, aged, downtrodden, underprivileged. Join hearts by giving them love, help to maintain health, and spread happiness as we are humans for humanity. In short, I would like to put before you the chart of growth of membership of Lions Club of Bhiwandi. 1st July, opening membership was 49 members. 19th July, installation day, as I told you earlier, 21 new members were inducted. In the month of August, there was new addition of 10 members. In September, we took one more jump by adding 10 new members. October, service week, even in pandemic, number of activities, contacts increased, and marching towards century, we added 12 new members. In the first week of December, Lions Club of Bhiwandi was declared as Centurion Club with total membership of 102 members. By the end of December, that is before 31st December, club reached to 108 members. I'm very happy to announce that this magical growth is not going to end, because even today we have 10 to 15 members in pipeline. In one line, I can conclude the success story of our club named Magical Memberships, and that is our positive approach, turning obstacles into opportunities is the key to avoid withdrawals, to retain membership, to develop membership. With this, I take you. Thank you so much for giving me a chance to present my club through this success story before you all. Thank you. Thank you so much. Dhanyavad. Dhanyavad.
Well done, President. Niraj, आगे का, if there are some questions, please take it.
मस्त झालं.
Niraj ji, unmute yourself.
Um, yeah, I got it. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah. Audible.
Sorry, I did not realize I had muted myself. There are no questions actually, sir, till now. But yes, everybody is praising the President Sheetal for the magical number that she has achieved. And heartiest congratulations once again to Madam. And being the only lady president, she has done something which others will find it a bit difficult to achieve now. But I am confident, sir, that people would be definitely going.
Neeraj ji, my suggestion is like this, that you can allow the people joining overseas as well as from other
Yeah.
districts unmute themselves and they can question. They can ask the questions which Sital madam and all of us will try to answer. And also e-certificate announcement you can do it.
Yeah, e-certificate, the link has been already sent to you on the chat box. Please fill it up. And I request everybody now to unmute themselves to have any questions if they have anything.
Yes, good evening to everybody. Hello.
प्रफुल्ल भाई,
हाँ जी.
आपको क्वेश्चन पूछना है?
Yes.
नहीं, आपको बाद में टाइम देंगे, क्वेश्चन पूछिए.
ठीक है. No problem.
Actually, one thing, Neeraj,
Haji.
Since you were telling that it is very difficult to achieve this target by other clubs, or it's very difficult to follow, but
Yeah,
it's not that. It's not the case. Why you have kept this story to learn from that story and
Exactly,
to motivate
sir.
other clubs, those who are lagging. The club like yours, the Kalyan, very vast area. You can also start that story because basic reason was started the last year. That was the empowerment, women empowerment. And actually, 2 years back, we added at once 2022 members by adding women, lady members. And that encouraged everybody. And that was the motivation to all of them, because ladies bring their husbands, bring their company, bring their friends with them. So this is the motivation. So everybody can, anybody can do the same and can follow. Thank you.
Thank you, Kamalji, and welcome you, sir. We welcome you all for this RCG Pathshala. In fact, sir, that's a basic idea. Whatever the clubs are doing stronger, we take a leaf out of their success stories and achieve what we can do.
And Neeraj ji, I'll just interrupt you. Please ask Lion Srihari Rao sir to please ask some questions so that our president will answer it.
Srihari sir.
Yeah, Lion Nalam also you can unmute.
Yeah, we have Lion Nala. We have Lion Vishnu Kumar from Nepal also.
So Neeraj, you ask everybody who wants to ask the question to unmute themselves and then speak.
Right. In fact, sir, that's what I had announced some time back. If anybody wants to ask a question, they can unmute.
Neeraj ji, I would like to add one line. What Kamal Eda ji spoke. There, in every club, there should be the group of lion members who should aspire and who should dream the membership. Then these things will go. A group of lions should be there who dream for this membership.
Exactly, sir. Exactly. This is what we learned from there, no?
Yes, sir.
The first thing is when I was the ZC, when I went to Bhiwandi club, I found that there was an all lady member team, and that was really encouraging for me, because then Maneshwarji was the DG at that time, and women empowerment, which Kamalji also said, Bhiwandi Club has really followed that up, and that's showing result now. Kamalji,
Yeah. One more thing is that the
Yes, sir.
senior members of the club should support them and should motivate the incoming president and incoming leaders. Because rightly, last time also I told you that who is the leader? The leader is the person who makes a leader.
Right, sir.
Yeah.
RC sir, I don't think there are any questions or anybody wants to ask anything now.
Yeah, let us.
I would request our.
Yeah, you can move ahead with the next agenda.
Yeah. So I request our own immediate past district governor and Baneshwar Naikji, who is today's observer for the day, to give his expert comments on today's session, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Neeraj ji.
Thank you, sir.
Region Chairperson Dr. Bhosle, our Governor Rakesh ji, our beloved past international President Ashok ji, and all you, my friends. It is a learning for me also. Many things which I did not know, today I came to know. It is said, Bhosle ji, you are a professor, you must be knowing. In order to learn, you have to unlearn yourself. In order to learn, you have to unlearn yourself. If I think that I know everything, I will not learn anything at all. Today, what our international president, past international president said, everything we knew, but it was new to us because we had forgotten. His club, Lions Club of Sion, is one of the best clubs in the world, he said. They are running an ultra-modern hospital. So also our district under the able leadership of past district governor Surendra ji, Rajani ji, Kamal ji, and BR ji, they are running one of the best hospitals in our country. Why it is so? Because they are dedicated to it. Unless and until you dedicate yourself to the cause, then otherwise you cannot improve at all. This survival, growth is the natural instinct of man as well as animal. Growth is the natural instinct of man as well as animal. We have to grow. There is no way out at all. Some people say you maintain status quo. Status quo means going backward. Status quo means going backward because the world is moving faster ahead, and if we stay where we are, we will be going backward. So therefore, I congratulate your club and President Deshmukh ji, because as our Kamalji said, Kamalji, I am not blaming the men, but I say in our district, wherever, in whichever club we find a lady president, that club is doing very well. And you also may be knowing that one of the clubs was on the verge of closure. A lady governor, the president was made, and today it is one of the best clubs. And you have taken in our you have taken her in your service center as secretary. So many people, and I appreciate your president Deshmukh ji, because she could bring in her 53, 54 members. It is not a joke. And probably in our district, it is the history, and I am the witness to that. I was there as a induction officer for this. I was so happy. Secondly, all the members were highly educated, and I am 100% sure they will remain forever. As Ashok ji said, you assign work to them. There was a international president, past international president called Sobral. His slogan was, make your fellow men feel needed. So we have to adopt to ourselves, make our members feel needed. We should create such a situation where our members feel that they should stick to the club. Then only that trend will continue. Otherwise, the trend will reverse. We should not allow trend to reverse. And storytelling is the best way of convincing the people. एक कहावत है हिंदी में, आपको जानते हैं, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. जो एक्टिविटीज हम कंडक्ट करते हैं, that should be shown to the members of the society. Otherwise, we will remain where we are. It should not be. We should go forward. In order to go forward, the society should come to know that such and such club is doing a wonderful work. So they should patiently wait for us to come there. Then only the purpose of our organization is served. And as Ashok ji said, नाम के वास्ते, दाम के वास्ते, काम के वास्ते, all three types of people are needed in our organization. वही, when I had come, I had told you, समय, सत्ता, संपत्ति, विवेक. When these things come, then only the work gets done. So I really congratulate Bhosle ji for having started this particular program. And I am very happy that as Ashok ji and Kamal ji, I am the first person to participate in this. Thank you very much, Bhosle ji. आप करते रहिए. We are there to support you. And LCIF grant लीजिए. और ये job allocation के बारे में अशोक जी ने बताया. So that is very, very important. And I also repeat what is said. Zone chairman and region chairman are not meant for activities place. Only the administration work, membership, and all the formalities should be completed. So even if we do work, carry out activities, if it is not reported to LCI, it is of no use. And the RCs and ZCs should see to it that all the clubs report their activities to LCI, Lions Club International. As Ashok ji said, there are only two presidents. One is club president and another is international president. You are the presidents of the club. You have got greater responsibility. You have to discharge that responsibility. In order to do that, you should first become responsible. And I hope after listening to all these people, I am 100% sure you will become more responsible and see to it that all our duties are performed and it is reported to LCI also. Bhosle ji, thank you very much for having invited me. I much so enjoyed this particular program. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Manishwar ji, for your kind words, sir. Friends, I'll be launching the poll. We have a small poll here, and I'm going to launch it. There are just 3 questions there. Kindly fill it up. And do let us know your feedback on this. I think you are getting it on your screen now. Can somebody tell me?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So I'll be waiting for entire people, everybody to put in their thing. This feedback is going to be a long way in planning for the future programs. Now 45% have voted. Yeah, the time is up. RC sir, I am sharing the result
Yeah,
of
please.
how what people have polled right now. Yeah, so we find the first question, did you discover anything new for yourself in today's session? 94% of the people have said yes. 6% have said not sure. Did you find this session engaging and interesting? 100% people have said yes. And yes, I want to participate in more incoming events of Emotional Square. Again, we are having 83% who have said yes, and some 17% are there who have said they are thinking about it. So thank you, friends. Thank you for your honest feedback on this. And now I will hand over. In fact, before I hand over the session to RC sir for his concluding remarks, I would also welcome our PDG, DR Mehtaji, who has been in the call right from the starting period, right from the start of this call. So I request RC sir now to give your comments on this, sir, your feedback on this.
Neeraj sir, before I put my concluding remarks for today, I want to hear voice of B.R. Mehta sir, who is our beloved PDG, and please request him to say something.
Yeah.
Bhosle ji, my heartiest congratulations. You have really thought a very good thing to initiate this new era, and these 5 days will definitely be very interesting. I wish that more and more participants should be there. Today I find that there are about 45 to 50, or maybe some like joining 2 in 1 like that, maybe 50, 60. But I wish that such a seminar or in this many people should join so that they can get motivated. They should inspire. There are the success story. There are the Sheetalji, the way she has described. And I think maybe that if 5 to 10 clubs, maybe other than this region also, it should be open to all, and maximum people should able to take the benefit of this. And I was really thrilled to know the way she spoke and she presented her success story. I am sure that people, all other presidents and club leaders, they will be motivated. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Great words. And now I think Neeraj sir, I want some blessings from our own regional advisor, PDG Kamaleda sir. So I request him to share his views also before we close. Kamaleda sir, please. Unmute कीजिए sir.
I'm audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, Bhosle ji. Really, it's a very great initiative. So rightly, I've just right now I've just told you who is the leader. It's not only the leadership myself. I'm only the leader. It should not be there. I should be there to prepare more leaders. And आपको हमेशा आपका उत्तराधिकारी हमेशा आपको पहले तैयार करना चाहिए. आज समझो जो भी है लीडर, चाहे सेंटर में कोई भी लीडर है, तो उसके पीछे अगर कोई दूसरा लीडर नहीं है तो वो कल कुछ हो जाएगा तो नेक्स्ट लीडर कोई तैयार नहीं होगा और वो संस्था जो है पूरी नीचे आ जाएगी। तो इससे बहुत अच्छा इनिशिएटिव आपने लिया है कि एक तरह से लोगों के लिए सक्सेस स्टोरी लेकर के और लोगों को समझाने का कि आप भी सक्सेस हो सकते हो। अगर अगर समझो एक प्रेसिडेंट इतना बेहतरीन काम कर सकता है जो सबके लिए उदाहरण बन चुका है, हो सकता है दूसरा हमारे यहाँ भी उससे बहुत बड़ी उससे उत्साह लेगा, उससे एक तरह से संदेश लेगा कि क्यों नहीं, अगर ये कर सकते हैं तो हम क्यों नहीं कर सकते। उसी तरह से दूसरे लोग भी ये सीख सकेंगे कि भाई इतना अच्छा काम करने के लिए पीछे सीक्रेट क्या है। वो सीक्रेट सीखने के लिए और ये जो समझाने के लोगों को आपने जो बेहतरीन एक आरसी के पाठशाला करके कार्यक्रम शुरुआत किया है वो बहुत अभिनव है और मैं चाहता हूँ कि डेफिनेटली इस तरह का कार्य आगे भी करना चाहिए और अच्छे अच्छे लीडर्स को लाना चाहिए और उनसे ये सीखना चाहिए कि ये आज समझो मेंबरशिप की स्टोरी हमारी एक सक्सेसफुल स्टोरी है। इसी तरह से दूसरे भी कोई क्लब है जिनकी कुछ सक्सेस स्टोरी है, कोई परमानेंट प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में बोलता है, कोई दूसरी एक्टिविटीज के बारे में बोलता है और वो भी बहुत कुछ सीखने की बातें हैं। तो इसको आगे लाना चाहिए और ये बहुत अच्छी शुरुआत आपने की है, मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत बधाई। एंड मैं एक बात बोल सकता हूँ कि वाकई हमारी जो प्रेसिडेंट है शीतल, वो वक्ता तो बहुत पहले से ही है, स्पीकर तो है ही, मगर साथ साथ में मोटिवेटर भी है। हमेशा ये बोला जाता है कि एक सक्सेसफुल मैन के पीछे एक वुमेन होती है, मगर यहाँ पर ऐसा है कि वुमेन के पीछे एक मैन भी है और ये जोड़ी जो बराबर होती है ये सब आपस में इतनी बेहतरीन, तो सक्सेस स्टोरी एकदम डेफिनेटली डिफरेंट हो जाती है। अगर शीतल 5 मेंबर लाती है तो दूसरे 5 सुधीर भी 5 दूसरे मेंबर लेके आते हैं और इसी तरह से मोटिवेट करते हैं। आप अगर देखेंगे अगर हमारे क्लब की स्टोरी तो लास्ट ईयर जो मेंबर आए हैं उन्होंने नए मेंबर ले आए, 1 साल पहले मेंबर आया है उन्होंने भी नए मेंबर लेके आए और इस साल आए वो भी नए मेंबर लेके आ गए वापस। ये मोटिवेशन है, ये जो मोटिवेशन आया है ये सब लीडरशिप उसको तैयार करती है और बेहतरीन लीडरशिप आपको हमेशा आगे लेके जाती है। उसके साथ साथ में क्लब के सीनियर्स का, क्लब के लीडर्स का, क्लब के पास्ट लीडर्स का, उनका सपोर्ट और सहयोग होना चाहिए।
एक वेबिनार चल रहा है, थोड़ी देर बाकी है।
कोई अगर काम हो रहा है तो उसको पॉजिटिव स्टेप पे लेकर के उनको सपोर्ट डेफिनेटली करना चाहिए। थैंक यू सो मच।
म्युच्युअल फंडचं जो बँकेत आले सगळे पैसे बघितले ना.
Thank you, sir. Your advice is helping region so much. I will start my speech with the blessings given by PIP Ashok Mehta sir regarding back to basics, and he has told clearly that ZCs and RCs are basically are there for administrative look back. I am happy to say that all my clubs are reporting regularly on my LCI, my Lion, almost all activities, though my presidents are finding it little difficult because how much I chase, they know better, but it is for benefit of Lionism, and everything is reported, is recorded somewhere, and people still believe. So my LCI reporting and my Lion reporting is always good. That is the thing we look at the beginning from the administrative front. Another my target is to develop the leadership amongst the region. More number of people should go to our district and have an impact on a district. As such, we are blessed by the PDG Kamal Edaji, who is such a jolly man, and like the Ashok Mehta ji, he is the person who wants to sit in audience and see that everything is done properly. See, growing a membership from 49 to 108 is not easy task, and lot of pumping has been done by Kamal Eda sir. We know it, though he is saying everything is done by the president, but the उनके बाजू को जो strength दिया है, that sir you have done it, and no doubt the Sudhir ji also has pumped up a lot into it, and uh, she has done really a great wonders, and it is going to be an inspiration story for all Lion leaders. At least they will start thinking that even during pandemic, she has achieved more than 110% growth in her club, and other say clubs should take some motivation from her and try to act on the membership. And there are great efforts by our GMT coordinator, Lion Burani. The man behind the scene always is Rajesh Chatelji, who is the district coordinator. He, after membership, he is trying to touch the members, and that is good. Uh, I would like to say that really our DG is inspiring leader. Looking at him, we are growing. And I remember 4 or 5 years back when he came to my club, Lions Club of Dambili, he just made a statement. See, Bhosle, that do some leadership courses. And that word has created a history. I have participated in all leadership things. My IPDG Maneshwar Nayak sir has given me even opportunity to go to a ALLI. I know that how much pain he has taken. That I was perhaps the junior most in ALLI Chennai, where my then district governor gave me a chance, and then I took oath there only. I will develop more number of leaders. I will see in Lionism that I am a LCIP graduate, and I will do sincerely the efforts to complete my FDI that I assure from this platform. LCIP also I will complete it, and same thing will be percolated down. I am great uh, uh, motivated by the words of DG and Ashok Mehta sir. I am also inspired by the all-time my favorite Maneshwar Nayak sir, because moment he starts speaking, his logical way of presenting it touches the heart, and always it inspires. Why? See, while planning this particular program, the initially we had a talk with the Neeraj sir, Sunil Patare sir, Dhananjay Patak sir, and we were just planning and getting the things input from many points, and we have planned this. The observer we have selected for president's presentation, and the success story, whether it is the fact, and Maneshwar Nayak sir has really endorsed that it is not a easy task, but if you empower women, they will create the wonders. And that particular thing he has told n number of times, that the lady presidents are making a wonders in the Lionism. And same thing, Situl, the Deshmukh madam has proven it, and she will continue to lead, and she will be a good as for say district. That I can assure from this forum. I have many success stories from the president. Even check dance, she can speak. Many activities she has done. She has spoken that more than 100 activities they have done, and success stories are there. But I have my limitations that per say president, only one success story has to be told, and that is why magical membership was given to her. I could not give her more subjects because say I know the potential, but that I will be putting in front of my district governor in the RC conference. My RC conference will be a truly professional, this glimpse of the success stories will share on the some platform properly. As far as the words from PDG B.R. Mehta sir, I remember the moment he was contacted by our organizing team members, amazing words, and immediately that was shared by the Lion Neeraj to me, and uh, uh, B.R. Mehta sir, hats off to you, and really your words has given us the spirit to jump into this. Always we see that there is a paucity of participants. Many things are going on online. I know district events are also online, and therefore the attendance was touching 40. But still, as this days will progress, we'll try to have more participants, and will have more participants. More presidents are going to share success stories, as it is expected by the Maneshwar Naik sir, that try to get LCIP, LCIF grants. Our two clubs, Lions Club of Ulhasnagar and Lions Club of Shahpur, has two medical centers, and soon we are going to submit a proposal from the Lions Club of Ambernath and Lions Club of Dombivli. Definitely during this Lionistic year, we'll submit the proposals, and things are getting stable. I assure that Ambernath Club now has cleared the title of their building and repainted, and their building entire 3 floors are available for the medical center. But we'll definitely submit a proposal with that effect. As far as my organizing team is concerned, amazing team, great coordination. Even Maneshwar sir, my son Parag is helping me. He is a Leo. From last year, he was secretary. This year, he is a director. See, he is behind all technical glitches support needed, and really the Lion Neeraj and from the backside, the Sunil Patariji and Dhananjay Patak, Rahul Bishop, they have really exerted a lot, and I think today's day, I can definitely say that we are reaching our target, though uh, uh, the time is still uh, there, because we have planned, because of first day lot of time will go into inauguration, but I know DG sir is busy, and it is very difficult for him to attend for all 2 hours here, but I really thankful to Maneshwar sir. Since beginning, he is there in the forum. Kamaleda sir is always there, and
Yes, sir.
B.R. Mehta sir is actually helping us, and with the great words. I have received it from other PDGs also. And just to tell you about what is going to happen next few days, I think Neeraj sir, I will request you to make it as an announcement separately, but uh, to tell this forum that we are included the imminent possibility on the second day PID Narendra Bhandari sir, who is going to speak us on the GATT, the GATT program. Then third day, the PCC Mahesh Chitnis sir is going to address us that strategic plans for retention of a membership, and at the same time, two presidents of club Lions Club of Dombivli and Lions Club of Wada are going to speak on the Dombivli Talent Hunt program and the how the campus club has grown with the efforts of our own PDG Omi Arora sir in the Vada campus, and their success story also will be said. Uh, Fourth day, two success stories of medical facilities through LCF will be shared. And on the final day, the Lions Club of Ambernath and Lions Club of Kalyan are going to share their success stories. On the second day, we have Dombivli Palava City, though a small club, new club, how they have done wonders while doing the twinning activities. That will be shared by the Palawa president, uh, and all these success stories basically will give them a platform, and whatever we have planned that to promote. Many presidents have said that presentation means what, whether it is PPT, no. Whatever our PDG Maneshwar Naik sir has told that through storytelling only you can say make more impact rather than the PPT presentation. I know that 15 minutes time given to the president is going to be very short, but we are sticking to our timings, and we don't want to extend the program beyond 8 p.m. So with the support of organizing team, I am uh, happy that today's my day was very
रमेश जी फोन कर दे, क्यों फोन कर रही है?
very successful,
रमेश जी फोन कर
and
दे
thank
किसी
you each and every person here. Over to you, Neeraj sir, for the next 4 days program you can speak about, and whatever I have missed you can share it, and then we'll close this particular session.
Region
Yeah.
Chairman, actually, one thing I would like to inform you.
Yeah,
I think
yeah.
that has not been brought notice of you.
Yeah.
Bhiwandi Club is also having a service center.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
know it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
third.
we are now about to acquire new bigger center.
Yes, sir.
And then thereafter we can upgrade that into the medical center.
Right, sir.
That we are planning in a big way now.
Thank you,
But
sir. Thank
right now we are having about more than 1200 square feet area
Correct. Correct.
is with us.
Thank
Yeah,
you, sir,
thank
for
you.
information. And
Yeah.
this actually I have planned in month of May also we are going to have such a program once again. So there this story will share along with the Kalyan Club also will be given a separate subject as such.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Over to you.
Thank you, RC sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, RC sir. In fact, whatever I had to say, you have already said it. But once again, reminding what I would do it, I'll talk about tomorrow's program today. So what is going to happen tomorrow? And tomorrow you all will be excited to hear our past international director, line Narendra Bhandari ji, who will speak about the importance of CAT in our day-to-day life. And yes, Lions Club of Dombivli Palava, as well as Lions Club of Moni Titwala, they will be having the presentation tomorrow. And RC sir, I would like to say one thing. Whenever I and they were very happy to be a part of our program. And tomorrow's observer will be our own PDG, Line Mahesh Gupta ji. So that will be it. And we meet tomorrow again at 6 o'clock sharp. By 6:10, we'll start with the program. And today I would request all our ZCs also to try to gain more attendance for tomorrow's program also. Thank you, sir. I request RC sir to call the meeting to.
Yeah, before I call meeting to order, as you rightly pointed out.
Adjournment.
Yeah, rightly pointed out, the presidents and all line members who attended today, please put that thing in your own, say, WhatsApp group of your club and try to ask members to join in large numbers tomorrow onwards. and it will be a rocking day. I request the all PDGs, including Maneshwar Nayak sir, B.R. Mehta sir, and Kamal Eda sir. Sir, not only that you are there today, but whenever you get time, please come in this RCK Pathshala, and we are going to print the region conference bulletin based on only success stories. And whatever is there in my LC, I will print my Lion activities. That true report I will give. Whatever is status in the my Lion, and I will present it in my region conference. I request you to attend or please come for all 5 days, and also region conference, and your blessings are very much essential, and will do wonders in the Lionism. And I thank Maneshwar Nayak sir for giving me ALLI opportunity. With that opportunity only you can see today's program, and that is the inspiration I got from there, and we have implemented.
You deserve it. You deserve it. You deserve it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And
Okay, good night.
yeah. I close this meeting, and will leave. Some of you can unmute and then have a chit chat, and you can share. Jetsi sahab, आपको कुछ बोलना है तो you can speak, because all dignitaries meanwhile will leave.
Compliments to you, Lion Surendra ji.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Sunil Patel sir. Thank you.
सुरेंद्र जी, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन, बहुत अच्छा हो गया प्रोग्राम।